What is the difference between a stay order and an injunction?
A stay order would prohibit, an injunction would restrain the parties from taking action. A stay order, I'm not sure that I actually can give you the.
Okay.
A stay order, I'm not sure that I actually can give you the.
Okay. Ms. Hill, what is collateral estoppel?
Collateral estoppel. I think collateral estoppel. Well, Senator, I will say that my 20 years of practice has primarily been dealing with issues relating to criminal law or relating to other areas of the law.
Yes,
and
if you don't know, just tell me.
I certainly do know collateral estoppel. I'm finding that the bright lights of the moment are making it hard for me to recall it.
Okay, so you don't recall it. Okay.
Ms. Hill, I congratulate you on surviving the John Kennedy 6-minute bar exam.
My contracts teacher is going to be appalled, and I'm going to have to live with that, Senator, but thank you, Chair. Thank you.
If you promise to spare Ms. Hill, I'll...
Did the White House give any of you any written materials to use to prepare?
They gave...
Or digital materials?
They gave us, previous questions that had been asked by the panel.
And answers?
I think we had to go find the answers ourselves. I think we had to go watch the various committee
May I
meetings.
have a copy of that?
I don't have one, but I'm sure that it is literally just a list of questions.
I don't have a copy.
I don't have any copy.
Would you send me a copy? I'm easy to find. Would you send me a copy, Ms. Hill?
I will.
Okay. Would you each send me a copy?
Yes,
so I
Senator.
can compare and make sure they're all the same. Okay. Thank you.
Senator, can we have a copy of your list of questions to share with other members?
I'll even give you the answer.
It's like a bar. It's like a bar review course.
Yes.
How do you square what you just told me about the Eighth Amendment with the case by the U.S. Supreme Court that says the definition of a fundamental right is one that's explicitly stated in the Constitution or deeply rooted in our history and tradition?
Yeah, I think that it is. I think it is deeply rooted in our history and tradition.
Yeah, but certain forms of punishment or not. If a form of punishment, it existed at the time of our founding, and it's deeply rooted in our history and tradition, you telling me that makes it automatically constitutional today? I thought you just told me.
No, I'm certainly not saying that. I'm not. What I say about it is really quite irrelevant, but the Supreme Court has said we look at it with a view to the changing values on these
why
issues.
The difference? I thought
they're
both fundamental rights. Why the difference?
I think that's a question that the Supreme Court's going to have to answer, whether or not they have.
I think it has. I'm just asking if you know.
I think I've answered the question to the best of my ability, Senator.
Okay.